Hi everyone and welcome to new episode of our YouTube channel about Amazon KDP. And today we're going to talk about AI written books and is it scam of your readers or not. But before we start the video, I'm asking you, of course, to hit the like button and share your books in the comments below. So just write the name of the book, name of the author, and if it's enrolled in KDP Unlimited, I'll give you 5 stars there. Thanks for sharing and thanks for watching me. So it's pretty cold in Paris. It's January, and let's walk a bit because I'm freezing if I'll continue to record it sitting near Statue of Liberty. Actually, there are many statues of Liberty in Paris, and share in the comments below if you saw several of them. So AI written books is something what can be considered as a scam, because you are writing a book, you are not writing a book, you are asking AI to write book instead of you. So you can say that it's not a book written by you, it's a book written by AI, and I have video on my channel when I'm creating a book and publishing it in less than 60 minutes. And actually we sell this book several times last year. But what can be considered as a scam? It's something what when you take money from someone and you are giving him zero value. Do you think that the book which is written by AI is giving zero value? Just share in the comments below. Maybe yes, maybe no. But I think that if I want to know something, if I want answer on some kind of theme, I can ask AI, I can ask ChatGPT, and it will be a right answer, and it will really help me. If someone wants a lot of information about the theme and is ready to pay for that, for whole book, printed book, then it's giving value to them. So, for example, if the book is about football club, history of the football club, it's a printed book about history of the football club, and there are facts, there are really valuable information. So I don't know why you will consider it as a scam. You can mention that, and I recommend you to mention that it's created by AI. You can do it in Amazon KDP. I don't know, like, if it's really visible for everyone who is buying the books, but it's fair to share this information and to give your buyers choice if they want to pay for this kind of book or if they want to pay for other kind of books. In the same time, we can say that books created this way are much more much faster in publishing, so you will give them more accurate data, more modern data, so when it's important to share some information about 2025 results, for example, 2025 information, and now it's January. If we would go by publishing process, of course it will take much more time than with all editors to check the book than with real publishing it. So for non-fiction books, AI written books maybe are even more valuable than non-AI written. Of course, you need to check the facts. Sometimes AI is not accurate, and I'm recommending you to write about themes in which you understand better, in which you have some expertise, and not to write a book about themes where you know nothing about it. So it's much better to read your own book and, of course, to double check the facts. Also ask ChatGPT or whatever AI you are using to give you sources and check if it's real sources. You can always tell AI to use just proven sources, to add more numbers, if it's non-fiction book. For fiction book, I think that AI is just not there, and AI can't create this kind of content, and fiction books are just worse quality. They are not interesting to read, and yeah, that's my opinion. Prove me wrong. Share your books in the comments below, and let's see, maybe your AI written fiction book will be very interesting. Let's see. But I think AI is not there with humor. AI is not there with some kind of attractiveness to read by the tone which is AI is using. Probably it will be there one day, but probably not now. So we are now in Jardin de Luxembourg, and here are many statues of famous musicians and famous writers. And also it's giving me thought that AI is just a tool, and if you are using it to create your book, it's somehow similar to times when people start to use computers to create music. And can you consider that music of David Guetta, for example, is a scam just because he's using electronic tools? Of course not. And the same we can say that at any age there was some new invention, and usage of it could be considered as a scam, but it's not. And time proved that it's not a scam, it's just the way to create a new value and to use better tools to make more efficiency, more efficient way to create art. Sometimes it's art, sometimes you can't call the book art even if it's not AI generated. But yeah, it's the same with music, it's the same with every other hobby or creation by people. Someone will like it, someone not. We have here some statues of animals, and some will like it, some not. Some likes modern art, some like Renaissance, and yeah, it's always very difficult to say what can be considered as art, what can be considered as real literature. In my case, I'm writing non-fiction books, so I can't say that it's art, it's just facts in a book. And the easiest way to decide on if it's scam or not, it's a decision of your readers. If you have good reviews, if people continue to buy your books, then your book is not a scam, your book has value. And the best person who will give you feedback on how fair it is to use AI in creation of books is your readers. If they share that it's good, then it's good. It's not a scam. So it's starting to rain here in Jardin de Luxembourg, and probably it's time to conclude this video. Share your opinion if you think that usage of AI in creation of books, or even in creation of images for cover images, is a scam or not. I'll read it carefully, and of course I'll share my 5 stars with you if you will share your name of book and name of author and enroll your book in KDP Unlimited. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.